Are committing more money to help protect you in the event of an earthquake. The Appropriations Committee has included $5 million in funding for the earthquake early warning system in the federal 2016 budget. That's on top of the $6.5 million earmarked for the project last year. Representative Schiff of Burbank led the calls for increased funding.
Well, the $5 million will help us go a long way into building out the system. It won't be enough to do the full build out. It's not enough for the annual operational costs. It's also my hope that this will encourage the states to kick in, those on the West Coast. The federal government is not going to be able to pay the full freight for this.
Experts say a warning of just a few seconds can save lives and limit damage from an earthquake.